How to fix your MacBook Air is lagging. So if your MacBook is running slowly or you're having any kind of performance issues, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side of your screen and then click on System Settings. Now from the left hand side, click on General and then press Login Items and Extensions. Now at the very top here, you'll see all of the applications that start up when you first turn on your computer. Now as you can see, I've already removed all of my applications, but if you do see anything inside of this window here, you can just click on that application and click on the minus icon to remove it from your startup. You could then scroll down to App Background Activity, and here you'll find the apps on your computer that are constantly running in the background. So if you see an app here that you don't use or you don't need running in the background, just go and toggle that app to off by clicking this button here. Now you may need to enter your password in order to confirm these changes. Now once you've done this, click on General once again and then press Software Update. Now if you have any outdated software, you'll need to go and install this now. New software can actually contain performance issues to make your computer faster. And once you've installed any outdated software, go and click on General once again. You can then click on Storage, and here you'll find how much storage space you currently have left on your Mac. So if you're running out of storage space, this can be another big reason why you're getting a slow computer. So what you'll need to do is try freeing up some storage space. Now you can see a list here of what areas on your computer are taking up the most amount of space. So for me on my computer, it's my applications. So what you can do is click on Finder in the bottom of your taskbar. You can then click on Applications from the left hand side. And if there's any applications here that you don't need or you want to go and delete, then what you can do is just select that application and you can go and move it into the trash icon at the very bottom of your page. Now once you've done that, you'll need to go and open up your recycle bin and then just click on the empty button to go and empty your trash. Now once you've done that, we're going to click on Applications in the bottom navigation. You'll then need to search for Disk Utility and click on this app here. Now make sure you have your main drive selected from the left hand side and then click on the First Aid button. Now as you can see, this will check your computer for any errors or corrupted files. So just go and press Run, and if any damages are found, it will automatically repair them in this tool. You could then go and restart your computer and your MacBook Air should now be running much faster.